back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Global Magazine Pay channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video, guys, we're going to be answering one of the most common questions I've been getting many times in my videos about the PayPal. Because this is one of the most common way to get money via the print-on-demand website or via any form of online income. Whether you're going with the Creative Fabrica, or whether you're going for print-on-demand, or whether you kind of going off any other any other way to make money online, this is one of the most common route you get paid. And people have been asking me many questions regarding the currency conversion, how I'm gonna be able to convert the currency from United States to their native country currency, or how to cash out from PayPal, and all those kind of questions specifically related to the PayPal. So I'm going to be answering all these questions in this video. So if you are a newbie to this online world and start with the print on demand and you don't know how to get payout with the PayPal, or what really is PayPal, how it actually works, and different things regarding it, if you don't know, then this video is exactly. Keep on watching this video till the end, and let's get started with that. Before we go back, consider clicking the like button, guys. Really appreciate that. If you want more such videos, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon, because we upload daily videos. When we do so, you'll be get notified about it. Also, we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in the description box below, or simply head over to globalcreator.com. Check out the freebie section. It contains the full commercial license, so you can use it. Also, we are soon going to start with exclusive email newsletter. The link is in the description box below. That is completely exclusive. The content will going to be delivered each and every week in your email inbox. That will be an exclusive related to print-on-demand tips and tricks, tools, and important things to make money online. And right now it's on waitlist. It's 100% free. So make sure to subscribe. The link is in the description box below. We will going to send you emails each and every week. Let's talk about the PayPal. Because from the past few months or a few weeks, I can say, I see that repeatedly the PayPal question is quite common. I don't know how to convert the currency, how the Redbubble will going to convert the currency, how I'm going to get the payout from the PayPal, how I'm going to cash out, what does the PayPal do, does PayPal take any charges, what are the taxes that I need to pay for converting the currency or for getting the payout from the PayPal. There are so many different questions specifically common to the PayPal, and I really get that. I really understand that, because the people who are asking these questions, they don't know what really the PayPal is. They don't know what it is, how it actually works, and how you get the payout from the PayPal. So I think that this video is exactly for the complete beginner, complete newbie who don't know what the PayPal is, how it actually works. Now, in simple terms, what is PayPal? According to Wikipedia, PayPal Holdings Inc. is an American multinational financial technology company operating an online payment system. So it's a multinational financial technology company that is basically states in the United States, and it works as an online operating or online payment system in the majority of countries that support online money transfers, and serves as an electronic alternative to traditional paper methods such as checks and money orders. The company operates as a payment processor for online vendors, auction sites, and many other commercial users, for which it charges a fee. So it works as a payment system. It does everything for you. You don't need to do the conversion of the currency to your native currency. Redbubble specifically, I get this question back related to the Redbubble. Now let me talk about how it actually works. Now you get the point. What is the PayPal is? PayPal is an online payment system where you can get the money from online internationally payment system, where the different work or businesses that you do, you can either transfer the money from your PayPal account to someone else's PayPal account. If they live in overseas, they live in abroad, and you want to send out the money, then you can do it via the PayPal. It's an online payment system. It does currency conversion for you. You don't need to convert the currency from United States to any of your native currency. I hope that this question is answered, because people don't know how to. They were asking how I'm going to convert it, or how PayPal convert it. PayPal does that thing for you. In exchange of that, they take a processing fee for that. So PayPal takes the processing fee no matter which platform you use, and you're receiving money via the PayPal. It will going to convert the currency for you. It will going to transfer the money from that particular system which on your operating to your bank account. It will going to do everything for you. In exchange, they're going to be taking a processing fee for the currency conversion, for the transferring the money, and also for acting as a medium to help you get paid by that online system. If I'm gonna just read a little bit intro from the PayPal website so that it may be more helpful for you guys. So take care of you and yours at home, and we can take care of your online. You can sign up. Now there are the two types of different options over here: the PayPal for business and PayPal for personal use. These are the two different kinds of options you can get. Now if you are starting with the PayPal, I feel like some of the countries they want it to be PayPal business, and some of the countries they only want it to be the PayPal personal. So it depends. Like if you can go with the PayPal personal or PayPal business, whatever it is. For you, what you need to do, you just need to go to the paypal.com and sign in with your email address, with your password, and once you do that, you will be going to be processed further, and then you need to connect your bank account to actually receive some money, because the payment will going to be transferred. For example, if you are selling on a Redbubble and you want to get payout from the Redbubble, you need to put your PayPal email address. Now what is PayPal email address? Most of the people don't know what is a PayPal email address. The PayPal email address is the email address that you used up for signing up or for opening an account on PayPal. Okay, so you need to use that email address which you have used for opening an account onto the PayPal. So use that email address and place it onto the Redbubble where it's written that you need to enter your PayPal email address. The same thing you need to do with the Jazzle, with the TeePublic, and with the other print-on-demand website, you need to do the same thing. For the Merch by Amazon, for the Amazon, it's a little bit different deal, because you need to place your you need to do the different stuff for the Merch by Amazon and for the Amazon KDP. I'm going to be covering that thing in a separate video. For now, this video is only focusing on the PayPal. So you need to put that PayPal email address in the box where it's written that you need to enter, or where they are asking your PayPal email address. Okay, so once you do that, what the PayPal will going to do, the Redbubble will going to send you the money via the PayPal. So PayPal will going to take that money from the Redbubble and will going to put into your bank account. You need to enter your bank details into the PayPal account to receive the money from PayPal. Because what will PayPal will going to do if you're not entering your bank account? Like, how are you going to get paid by the PayPal? If the PayPal holds the money, but where are you going to send the money? Like, you need to have a bank account. So connect your bank account with the PayPal, and then what they will going to do, they're going to take the money from the Redbubble, for example, and we're going to be converting that money from United States dollar to your native currency, money into your own bank account. This is the way they do, and in return, in exchange, they take the processing fees. And if you are doing the online payment internationally, there are so many different websites that have the PayPal checkout. Like you can pay your bills, you can pay the different stuffs via the PayPal checkout, or you can even buy anything online by using the PayPal checkout. If you're doing the orders on the online, you get that facility to add your PayPal, and you can pay a processing with the PayPal fee. Processing fees, obviously they're gonna take a fee for the currency conversion, but it's amazing and it's so easy to do with the PayPal. So I think that the PayPal is universally more accepted than the Payoneer, because PayPal works in almost majority of the countries in this world. There may be the exceptions. There may be the exceptions in which the PayPal doesn't work. There may be the countries exception in which the PayPal don't have that facility, but majority of the countries in the online space, or majority of the countries in the planet, have this function to get the money paid by the PayPal. So that is the online payment system that was the PayPal do. So you don't need to go do the currency conversion. The PayPal does everything for you. You need to connect your bank account, make an account on the PayPal, enter your email address, enter your password, and enter your bank details so that you can get paid from the PayPal. Okay, and rest you need to do. And if you're going with the PayPal business, they would ask you your identity documents related to if you're a business or if you're an individual. If you're in business, you are having an LLC, then you need to submit the documents related to that. If you are an individual, then you can submit your identity of your country. Another thing I want to cover over here, guys, if you are sending money from PayPal, or even if you're buying anything from the PayPal in the online space, you need to connect your card onto the PayPal. So linking a bank account, linking a card are these two separate steps onto the PayPal. The bank account is important to receive the money into your PayPal, so that you can receive money in your bank account. And to actually pay someone from your PayPal, or to transfer the money, or even to buy something online, you need to have a credit card or debit card connected to your PayPal. So these two methods are separate. So if you are receiving money from the Redbubble, you don't need a card for that. connect your bank account with the PayPal and get set ready to go with that. But if you want to transfer money, or if you want to buy anything online and you are making a payment by the PayPal, then you need to connect your card, your credit card, your debit card with the PayPal. Now you would be thinking, is PayPal a safe or a scam? Yes, PayPal is safe because they have been operating in majority of the countries in the online space, and the majority of the people or majority of the businesses are accepting the payment by the PayPal. Like Stripe is also there, but it doesn't work in majority of the countries as PayPal works. PayPal is one of the most common online payment method which works in majority of the countries. Of course, there are some countries in which the PayPal doesn't work. Maybe in those countries the Payoneer works, but I don't know which are those countries and what works in those countries. But majority of countries the PayPal works, and Stripe doesn't work in majority of the countries. Stripe has limited stuff, so that's why the PayPal is more common than the Stripe or than the Payoneer, and it's more common and more easy. It's safe and it's a legitimate. Okay guys, if you are thinking that I'm connecting my bank account, I don't know whether PayPal is legitimate or not, it's a legit guys, it's a legit. I'm gonna leave the PayPal website in the description box below, you can check it out. The last doubt that I want to cover about the PayPal is people are asking that how to get cash out from the PayPal. Since you're connecting your bank account with the PayPal, so you will definitely going to get the money all into your bank account from whatever print-on-demand website where you are selling. Okay, so you'll be getting in your bank account, and then very well you can go to your bank branch or whatever you want to do, and you can get a cash out from your own bank. You will going to receive all the money from the PayPal into your bank account. So if you're a newbie, get started with the PayPal, connect your bank account and put the email address or whatever you have used for opening up an account in a PayPal into your Redbubble, print on demand, or wherever online space where you want to receive money from. Put your the same email address, and then you're going to receive money from that system, from that website. And once you receive that money, PayPal will going to handle that money and will going to transfer that money into your bank account after converting into your native currency. And you can cash out from the bank, whatever bank you have connected, you can cash out from your bank and proceed with that. Hopefully you find this video useful. This was the little bit very basic video about the PayPal. For those of you guys who are really confused about the PayPal, don't know what it is, how it actually works, how to get the cash out, the conversion of the currencies and different stuff. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below if you have any further doubt related to the PayPal. I would love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.